Hi, this is Johnny Mike Grubman coming to you from Chicago as usual, and today we're going to do a fun little thing, a little something I'm going to call Crazy Zoom Court number 2. A lot of it is people just don't understand the concept of courtroom decorum when they're on Zoom.
All right, I will see you next week at 3:30. You can come in by Zoom just like this.
Okay.
All right, you got a little marijuana flag up there. All right, I'll see you next week.
In addition to that, there's just a lot of charming things that happen. Let's do it. Well, let's kick this off in one of our favorite places, 36th District Court in Wayne County, Michigan.
You are at the 36th District Court. You are at 36th District Court. You are at 36th.
Where are we, Judge?
Court. You are at 36th District Court.
Well, no one welcomes you to 36th District Court like Judge E. Lanice Bryant, but today we've got an appointment with Judge Austin Garrett.
There's something wrong with this clip, but I just can't put my finger on it.
Who is this undressed person? What in the world? It is 2022. We've been doing this for 2 years. He shows up to court with no clothes on. Gosh, this is just right as you were saying that. Officer Farmer, you ready on sharp?
Yes, Your Honor.
And there's the defendant, bottom right.
Well, Mr. Sharp isn't yet ready, so I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's the snow. Mr. Sharp, are you there? Mr. Sharp?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
All right, would you start your video for us?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Can't see you, sir. All right, let us go on the record. The court calls the people versus Johnny Sharp. It's case number 180-450-8201. Matter scheduled for review on today. May I have your appearances, please, starting with the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Elizabeth Moore on behalf of the people, P84724.
Thank you.
Good morning, Amber Roberts, appearing on behalf of Mr. Sharp. And Mr. Sharp, can you state your name for the record?
Johnny Sharp.
Fun fact about this defendant, his middle name is actually not Very.
All right, thank you. And on behalf of probation?
Good morning, Your Honor. Derek Farmer on behalf of probation.
All right, thank you. And is there a report from probation as it relates to Mr. Sharp's matter?
Your Honor, this case stems from a 2018 incident. Back in September of 2018, he was sentenced to 12 months probation. He was ordered to complete 26 weeks of the batter's program, have no assaults of contact with complainant. participate in the adult education program, as well as complete 10 days of community service, and submits a random urinalysis. To date, we have no proof of the defendant completing anything. In fact, he went into bench warrant status shortly after getting on probation because he failed to report to probation following sentencing.
Okay, thank you. Attorney Roberts?
So, Your Honor, it's my understanding that this is taken under 769.4A. And so if the court does still have jurisdictional time, I would ask the court to continue Mr. Sharp's probation at this point. I know that Mr. Sharp does have a matter before the court tomorrow. I don't know if it may be wise to set this over tomorrow and then track the other matter, but I don't want him to be closed out at this point. I'm hoping you'll continue his probation.
Oh, Lord. Look at the position this guy puts his attorney in. So, of course, he's not compliant with anything. He's trouble. He didn't do anything on the terms of his probation. But the defense attorney does point out he's picked up another charge that's up tomorrow. Oh, what are you going to do?
The matter tomorrow is before this court, before me?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
And, okay. What's the case number on that? Okay. All right. Well, this is what we'll do. We'll apologize for everyone's time. Then we'll just put this over to tomorrow.
Okay.
And that will have both of them, and I'll decide what to do with the probation case as well as to the new matter on tomorrow. All right. And that's at 8:30, Attorney Roberts?
I believe so, Your Honor.
Okay. So tomorrow, let's just move that back till 9, and we'll take it up at 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Sharp. See you tomorrow. Have a good day.
See you tomorrow. Have a nice day, sir.
Well, that's Judge Austin's first appearance on here, and I kind of like him. He's just unflappable. He was not pleased with this whole situation, but he just remained calm and carried on.
And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Don't make Oscar beg. It's rude.
This next one is just a charming exchange between one of my favorite judges, Cedric Simpson, and the prosecutor, and also the defense attorney on the backside. It looks like we're getting close to a dismissal of this case, and everyone's playing their role.
Thank you, sir.
Who's on the other side of that one?
Mr. Danner.
All right, and what would we be doing on that? Is that?
I believe on this one, Your Honor, I will be telling the court that we are unable to proceed.
Okay. All right. So once we get him up here, that's what we'll do. All right. You believe that's what you'll tell the court. All right.
Unless something happens all of a sudden in the next.
Okay. All right.
Get him up. Let's get him going.
All right.
I found that charming. Everyone knows what Judge Simpson is going to do in that circumstance. Namely, he's going to dismiss this case because the state's not ready, and he's got the time pressure on him. And I don't know why the prosecutor just kind of didn't want to let go. But he knew what was going to happen, and a good time was had by all. There you have it. Just a couple of fun little clips. Here at Law Talk, we like to have fun with silly stuff that happens in court, and every once in a while, and completely by accident, I assure you, you might learn something. Thanks for watching.